morning class. So today we're going to look at drip or trickle irrigation. So I'm Paul Denville. Objective of today's lesson is that by the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to define drip irrigation, illustrate drip system layout, state advantages and disadvantages of trickle irrigation. Introduction. Drip irrigation involves dripping water into the soil at very low rates, that is 2 to 20 liters per hour, from a system of small diameter. Plastic pipes fitted with outlets called emitters or drippers. With drip irrigation, water applications are more frequent, usually every 1 to 3 days. This provides a very favorable high moisture level in the soil in which plants can flourish. Below is a layout of drip irrigation. That is, we have the well where we pump water from. Then we have the main tank and the various valves that are normally open to allow water to flow. Then we have the main line, and then we have the sub lines and the pipes that run across with each drip on every plant. So we look at the layout components of a drip irrigation system. We have the first one is pump station, which takes water from the water source, especially for case we looked at the well, and delivers to the pipe system with the right pressure. Part 2 or component 2 is the control head. Contains valves that helps in controlling the discharge and pressure in the entire system. It has a filter system and may have a fertilizer tank too. We have the main line and the sub line. They are usually made of PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride or polyethylene. So they can be used outside or buried below the ground. And then we have another component is the laterals. The average diameters of these lateral pipes are 12 millimeters to 16 millimeters. Another component is the emitters. Emitters or drippers are installed on lateral lines and they control the speed of discharge of water. Finally, we look at the advantages and the disadvantages. So we begin with the advantages. Considerable saving of water because water is applied only to the root zones. Another advantage is method reduces salt concentration in the root zone when irrigated with poor quality groundwater. Permit application of soluble fertilizers. Can achieve 90% application efficiency, difficult to achieve with sprinklers or surface irrigation. Operates on much lower line pressures compared to sprinkler systems, that is saves on energy. And then the disadvantages, we have high initial costs, this especially the cost of installation. Then we have poor water distribution efficiency when low pressure system is installed on steep slopes or uneven land. A quote on that, drip irrigation where every drop counts. In summary, trickle irrigation is subsurface irrigation where water is supplied by means of plastic pipes and materials connected to drippers as emitters. This method minimizes such conventional losses as deep perforation, runoff, and soil water evaporation. The system applies water slowly to keep the soil moisture within the desired range for plant growth. That is the end of that discussion. So thank you for listening.